Welcome to Widiopedia, the world's first video encyclopedia. Aurelius Augustine is a Christian theologian and philosopher, an influential preacher, bishop of Hippo, since 395, one of the fathers of the Christian Church. Augustine, Aurelius, was born on November 13, 354 in the African province of Numidia, in Tagasta, now Suk-Ahras in Algeria. In his youth, Augustine did not find a penchant for the traditional Greek language, but was subdued by Latin literature. In the year 373, after reading Cicero's Hortensius, he began to study philosophy. Soon he joined the Manichaeum. At that time, he began to teach rhetoric, first in Tagasta, later in Carthage. After reading some of the treatises of Plotinus and the Latin translation of the rhetorician Maria Quizin, Augustine became acquainted with Neo-Platonism. Following the pattern of Cicero's Tuskulan conversations, Augustine composed several philosophical dialogues. At Easter 387, he, along with Adeodat and Alypius, was baptized by Ambrose in Mediolan. After that, having previously sold off all his property and almost completely distributed it to the poor, he went to Africa with Monica. However, in Ostia Monica passed away. Her last conversation with her son was well conveyed at the end of the confession. Thank you for watching. You can find and upload your own scientific videos at our website widiopedia.com.